Now children, let's answer the questions on this story. First question, who were the musicians? Who were the four musicians? The musicians were a donkey, an old dog, a cat and a cock. Question 2. Did the musicians belong to Bremen town? Were they from Bremen town? The answer is no. Question 3. Why did the donkey have to leave his master's house? Answer. The donkey had to leave the master's house because his master was treating him unkindly since he had grown weak and could not do much work. D. Why were the following unhappy? The dog. So why was the dog unhappy? The dog was unhappy because he was kicked out of the house by his cruel master. The cat was unhappy because his mistress did not need him anymore since he had become old and couldn't catch mice. The cock was unhappy as his mistress was planning to kill and cook him for a feast. Question E. Was the donkey good-hearted? How do we know that? Answer. Yes, the donkey was good-hearted as he took all the other animals who were unhappy along with him, so even they could make a living as musicians. Question F. Was the idea of singing to the robbers really clever? Answer. The idea of singing to the robbers was very clever as it scared them away and helped the animals get food, a house, as well as enough money to live in happiness and comfort. G. What effect did the musicians' singing have? The musicians' singing frightened the robbers and they left the house and money and disappeared into the forest. Next question. Tell what happened to the robber who went back to the house. What happened to him? The cat scratched the robber's face. The dog bit his leg hard. He stumbled on the donkey who gave him a hard kick with his hind legs. And the cock screamed cock-a-doodle-doo in his ears and flapped his wings around his head. The robber nearly dies of fright and ran away. Question 3. You have to write opposites. First, starve. Starve means to remain hungry. So the opposite will be feed. Second is cruel. Opposite is kind. Next word, sadly. The opposite is happily. Loud, opposite is soft. Huge, opposite is tiny. Hind legs, which means back legs. The opposite is fore legs, which means front legs. Happiness, opposite is sadness. That was all in today's lesson, children. Thank you and have a nice day.